Hello. So the next question is, the unpolarized light is incident from air on a plane surface of a material of reflective index mu. At a particular angle incidence I, it is found that the reflected and refracted rays are perpendicular to each other. Which of the following options is correct for this situation? First, reflected light is polarized with its electric vector parallel to the plane of incidence. Second, I is equals to tan inverse 1 by mu, I is equals to sin inverse 1 by mu. Or fourth, reflected light is polarized with its electric vector perpendicular to the plane of incidence. So the correct answer here is the fourth one. The reflected light is polarized with its electric vector perpendicular to the plane of incidence. Why? Let us see why. So the reflected ray of light, when the angle of incidence is Brewster's angle, would comprise of only the other component of light wave, which is oscillating in the direction perpendicular to the vibration of the electric field vectors. So that's how the fourth answer is correct. Thank you.